Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's talk for a minute about the names Taylor series and Maclaurin series and Power series. What are all these and how are they related? Well, both Taylor series and Maclaurin series are just examples of power series. So really, everything we're talking about are power series. What are power series? Just sums of powers of x that can go up indefinitely, where these powers are given by positive whole numbers, like x to the n or something. Or it could be x to the 2n or something else, plus 1 or something like that. These are power series. Now, Taylor series are often written as follows, like x minus a. In fact, power series as well. So really, they're the same thing. So you could have something like this. That's okay. Instead of just powers of x, it could be powers of x minus a for some a, or x plus something, like this, and to some power n or 2n or 3n or whatever. Maclaurin series are series that only look like this, x to the n. So this a right here is kind of like the center of convergence. If you plug in a, this zeroes out for most of the time, except for like maybe the constant term. So everything else is zero, and that's actually, of course, converges, and it's the center of convergence at x equals a. So Taylor series are just generally just power series. Even the name Taylor series is almost synonymous with power series, at least in the way that we're going to be considering it. Although Taylor series also usually denotes something that comes from the formulaic version of how to get a power series representation of a function via derivative calculations, like with the nth derivative with the center plugged in over n factorial for the coefficients. Yet, in the end, it's just a power series. And we're trying to get coefficients for a power series representation of a function. And that's so the name Taylor series usually denotes that. Maclaurin series is actually just a subtype of Taylor series. It's just where the center is zero. That's all. So center, here's center. So Taylor series could involve any center. Maclaurin series is just a special word that's usually used just to denote a power series that has a center at zero. In particular, a power series that comes from a formulaic calculation of the coefficients as a representation of a function via this technique for finding the coefficients with the nth derivative and the center plugged in. But in this case, it would be zero plugged in for Maclaurin series. Thanks for watching.